After 2 years of difficult pandemic crisis, I must say that we are very happy to see that the results of the CIEL group are showing good positive momentum, because our turnover actually increased to above the 28 billion mark. That's a 60% increase. Our EBITDA has reached 5 billion and a bit more, which is a very significant growth on previous year. And it's at a level which is close to 18%, so that's encouraging. And our bottom line is at 2.1 billion, which is, I believe, the best year we've ever had. Well, I think it's all about our teams, and we have fantastic people in the group, really motivated, well organized, with structured processes, but also a spirit which has been strong despite these 2 difficult years we've just been through. So I think that having lived that experience, in fact, we're coming out as a team much stronger. And then it's all about the excellence at driving results, growing market share, making sure that we protect our margin in a world which is quite difficult at the moment with the inflationary situation, as well as the unsettling issues that we're seeing in Europe. In fashion, our strategy is really working well, and what we're seeing is a fast expansion into India, where we opened up the 2 new factories. What we're also noting is that we are improving in terms of our customers base, and we're seeing more and more higher grade customers, which is excellent news for the business. And overall, our positioning in the region as well, with notably the movement of our fabric mill to Madagascar, augurs well for the future. So in finance, we have a leadership position in Madagascar, which we are consolidating upon on the banking front. And with Bank One in Mauritius, we are really tapping onto the African growth story and being specialized niche players in that respect. In healthcare, we have a unique position in Mauritius on which we are consolidating whilst improving the quality levels. And in Uganda, we have a good position to see how we can further develop on the African continent. On the property front, we have a unique collection of assets, and we are busy optimizing those. And we've recently launched the Evolis fund, which is looking at industrial assets and how they can be refurbed and put back on the market. And we've been pretty successful at these developments. And we also have the Ferney sustainable development, which is going to be put on the market very soon. We are very happy about the hotels doing so well after long and difficult times. And we've just been through, in fact, the low season and came out with positive results, which is quite unique. And the bookings that we have for the next 6 months or so are looking very interesting, I must say. Our associate company, Alteo, on the agro business, has done very well for the 2nd consecutive years. And in fact, looking at the results that just came out, it's probably one of the best years ever. And we are in an environment which is quite conducive for that. So we remain positive about our future, notwithstanding the fact that we are also based in Africa and can tap on this market. Our focus will really be in making sure that each of the businesses in which we are in do the right investments for their own expansions. And we see an array of opportunities. At the same time, we're going to relook at our strategy post-COVID and make sure that everybody is fully motivated in making it happen and going beyond.